So to start off my room tour, I'm going to show you, this is just the end of our hallway. So I'm in Global B. I lived in Global C last year, but this year I'm living in Global B, which is just one building over because I loved living in Global so much. So there's kind of different chairs at the end of the hallway just for like a hangout. This is like what the hallway looks like. You can walk down here. So basically a little bit about housing is that in Global, it's sophomore and freshman living. So me and my roommate are sophomores, but there are a lot of freshmen on this hall who have double style rooms. So it's 2 people in 1 room versus the part thing that I have. And this is our common room. So it has setups of the chairs and the couch. That's all provided by the university. No one brought that. And then we have TV. It comes with a Roku and everything. So you can watch Netflix and things like that. This is our kitchen in Global. There's a kitchen on each floor with a microwave and oven and things like that. That's a funny sign that my RA put on the door. Fish are friends, not bugs. Watch your utensils, plates, and mugs. Because there are people that will come in and clean the kitchen every once in a while, but we are really held responsible to be cleaning up after ourselves here. So I'm gonna walk back to my room. So yeah, I absolutely love living in Global. It's a really kind of quieter place on campus, so it's definitely a place to be able to get work done and things like that. So I'm right here at the end of the hall with my little chalkboard sign trying to get the freshmen to be friends with us. So to start off, this is my bathroom. So Allie's my roommate. Allie and I share this bathroom. So it comes with like the towel holders and everything, and then the shower. So it's just 2 of us. For the freshman dorms, it is kind of suite style. So it would be 2 girls on one side, and then a bathroom, and then 2 girls on the other side. So it's like a double room. So the bathroom is the connector. But yeah, this is my living room. All of the furniture besides the futon right there is provided by the university. There's my roommate's room. I want to go into my room. So the pods come with a full-size bed. Freshmen only have the twin-size bed. And then, so anything you see that is this wood material is going to be provided by the university, as well as these wooden things. They also have things that you can use to loft your desk and things like that. I mean, not your desk, your bed. I'm silly. Yeah, so this is basically the setup of my room. This is my view. Oh, the Global quad is absolutely beautiful. So building C is that one right there, which is where I lived last year. There's 5 buildings, A through E. And so this building right here is the Global Commons. So that's kind of a study area. It's also the home for study abroad things and things like that. We'll go in there in a little bit. Yeah, so this is my room. I love my room. I'm really excited to live with my new roommate. Sophomore year is going to be great. Super excited. So this is the Global Quad. B is where I live, which is right there. And there's the Global Commons, and then that's D, and then that's C. E is over that way, and A is over that way. So yeah, I love living in Global. It's really great because we have these basketball courts right over there, as well as like a sand volleyball thing. Really great place for freshmen to meet each other, as well as just like playing pickup in general.